Hello, welcome to Arif Academy. I am Shadral Ahmed, IELTS instructor from Arif Academy. Today we will be discussing a short tutorial about speaking part 3, the discussion session. Let us begin. As I have heard from a lot of students, they used to face difficulties in speaking part 3 specifically. What are there to discuss? I'm bringing you 6 broad categories in speaking part 3. Number 1, opinion. They will ask your opinion about certain issues. Followed by, second is compare. This is most common. They ask you to compare in the form of agree or disagree or believe or not on different issues, particularly 2 things, even more than that. And this is on one other advantage and disadvantage. It's a quite straight question. They will ask you straightly what are the advantages and disadvantages of certain things. That is quite visible. And another problem solution. Problem solution not that much visible, but you will find something questions. They're asking you, they're highlighting some problem and they're asking you a question in a format. So you have to address the problem and give a solution. Then why? Why is because they'll ask you certain questions, particularly why. Why you think so, why you believe so. But there you have to bring your reasons and examples. And sometimes future. This is quite rare. In part 3, they ask you, but not in every questions or every exams. But this is important because this is difficult in the way because it's not usually used. So therefore, you have to express your opinion, or not opinion, sorry, express your future belief. What you believe in the future will happen about that particular topic, particular question. Now I'll bring some examples to make you highlight. Look at this. I have taught you 6 categories. What kind of people are the most famous in your country today? This is opinion kind of question. What kind of people are the most famous in your country? You have to give your own opinion. What kind of there? Why are there so many stories about famous people in the news? This is why. Then you have to say, according to your knowledge, why there are so many famous in the people in the news today? Followed by, do you agree or disagree that many young people today want to be famous? This is compare. You have to, in the form of agree and disagree. You have to express in a way that certain people want to be famous, certain people don't want to be famous. You have to compare them. Now, followed by, this question is quite common. What are the advantages and the disadvantages of being famous? They always ask you directly, advantages and disadvantages. Then another one is, how does fame affect a person's private life? This is how to highlight the problem solution question. They're asking a problem. They're asking a question regarding a problem. How does fame affect a person's private life if somebody is famous? So you have to address the problem, what kind of problem they face, and give a solution. What can be the solution according to your best knowledge, the most acceptable and logical. Lastly, do you think famous people have a responsibility to act as a role models? This is a future type question. This is like you have to answer in a way that what you believe according to the fact that famous people responsibilities. Like it is up to you that what can be the hypothetical truth, like if they act as a role model, how can be the future? If they act as a don't act as a role model, then what happens? That is all for today tutorial. 6 categories. I got you 6 examples. So stay tuned with Arif Academy. Stay with us. All the best.